Fresh money, you already know. Your boy J City, J.D. Jones, he coming up. You already know. But me, I'm a money holic, call it what you wanna. I'm thunder high, strike you in the middle of the summer. The chrome like a phone, boy, it'll call you number. I stay on point like a reindeer hunter. Running on the gun, there's a situation you don't wanna face, so you better not be that front. I wonder if I ever see my mom's in my pop, cause they'll be proud for what they got. I'm hot like the bubbles in the pop, pop nigga on the spot. One shot to make them drop, turn copper like iced tea. Boy, you better do the right thing like Spike. Start running, no, not the camera, boy, you wasting your stamina. Baby, your boy just amateur. I can manhandle you, beat your walls down, have you wiggling like a janitor. You playing, baby, I'm just saying that I am the man, had a boy straight laying on the fucking pavement, fucking with my Franklin. See, I'm getting money, what the fuck was you thinking?
Woo! J City.
You already know what it is. Jones. Yeah. J. Jones. I ain't got the slugs right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm just cooling real quick. Let me get it. Let me show you how to do it when I'm in the booth. Still getting money, dude. Niggas see me in the hood like you the truth. I spaz all in the booth. I be hella spitting. Y'all niggas be frontin'. Y'all be hella written. I'm getting money and I'm riding on the paper. I'm trying to get the 24s. Don't play for the Lakers. I'm riding in the carpet. They be calling shit a blazer. And every time you see my whole crew, we fucking tailored. I'm fresh to death like $1 million bucks. I got your girlfriend on my dick and she ready to fuck. Suck the whole team. Nigga, I stay clean. I flow with so ice, but my grill is so mean. I'm rocking the block with my motherfucking G-Shock. See me on the block, on the whole hood call it cops. I ain't never been a bitch or a rat nigga. Still get the money and I'll blast on a rat nigga. Nigga disrespect me, dog, and I'ma pull a trigger. Nah, that's what the fuck I call a dead nigga. Real nigga from the mill, so I shoot to kill a nigga. Disrespect me, y'all blast it, that's for real. I'm pulling out them jiggers and I'm moving all the pills. And I'm still from the still and I'm still straight trail. Boosie to my niggas that be getting cake. Nigga disrespect me, I'ma lay his ass in the state. Riding on the interstate, doing about 150. Who the fuck and all the hoes they wanna ride with me? They see me in the club, boy, they see the eyes. And I'm popping these guys with the boy pop pies. I'm still fresh to death, I'm getting hoes. Niggas know my name, I'm fresh, look at the bows. Walk up in the club, hoes like, look at his clothes. Yeah, I'm running money, getting buckets like D-Bros. Oh shit, I'm in this bitch one more time. Took a girl to the crib one more time. Hit it from the back like 3 more times. And I'm still getting money and I only fuck dimes. J.D. Jones, man, you know what I'm saying? 2011 Milltown Cypher. Y'all feel me? You know what I'm saying? Don't copy. You know what I'm saying? If you copy, come better. J City, J.D. Jones. We out. Hold on. My nigga say so. We signing out, bitch. Get that motherfucking mixtape 2 paid for. You know it's dropping real soon. You already know. I'm icy than a bitch. You already know. Ping, ping. You already know. You already know.
We out.